This is a special report from News Talk 820 AM, WBAP.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County in north central Texas, also Palo Pinto County. So stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt regular programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Parker County and also Palo Pinto County in north central Texas. That will be in effect until 9:45. At about 8:45, a severe thunderstorm was located approximately 7 miles northwest of Gordon, or about 14